Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display text labels inside HStack and VStack, or horizontally or vertically using SwiftUI for native iOS app. So all you have to do is just create a SwiftUI project for iOS, and here you can see that this is the output. So I have one label 1. So there are three text, label 1 and label 2 are in a row, which is for which I am using HStack, and label 3 is in vertical manner, for which I am using VStack. So if you see over here, this is the HStack, and here I have defined one text, label 1, and also label 2. So you can define however number of SwiftUI composables, SwiftUI views inside the HStack. And now to display it inside vertically, you just have to use VStack. So here you can see HStack, and then I'm using our text so that it is in vertical fashion. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.